country people. Hello beautiful people, it's another beautiful week, and here at Jackie's Kitchen we have exciting new recipes just to push your week through. So we'll be doing a recipe that is so many people have requested for this, and that is how to make chapatis. So I'll be showing you how to make soft layered chapatis. If you have never made chapatis before, this is the recipe to watch. If you do make chapatis but you just don't get them soft enough, I got you. And all you want is to have your chapatis soft and layered. Man, stick around. It's Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Njala, and welcome and thanks for clicking to watch this video. I can see some people there who want to subscribe, so 5 seconds for you. Thank you for subscribing. So straight to the kitchen, let's get some chapatis cooked. Man, I can't believe that at this age chapatis still excite me. Anywho, so for chapatis you only need wheat flour, salt, sugar, warm water and oil. That's it. So for me, I'm going to use 2 cups of wheat flour, a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. The first secret to making soft chapatis is how you make your dough. So make sure that you add oil, and enough oil for that matter, because that's what keeps your dough soft, and even when you cook your chapatis they'll still remain soft. Then the other secret while making your dough is kneading. I will show you just now that I'll knead my dough for about 10 minutes before I let it rest. I used 2 cups of flour, if you can remember, so I'm going to divide this dough into 2, that is 1 cup each, and the ratio I use is that 1 cup gives me about 3 to 4 chapatis. I told you today I'm going to share all the tips I have for soft layered chapatis. So the second tip when you want to get layered chapatis lies in how you roll them. So that's what we're going to do next. There is that other option of rolling 1 chapati at a time, but for me I pick this one. It's faster, quicker, and it gives me the best result. So why take the long cut? So first, spread your dough as far as you can go, because the bigger you spread it, the more layers it will give you. Then we're going to spread oil on this sheet that we have spread. Apply oil because this is what will keep the layers apart. So when you are cutting your chapati, it will be like a book. Yani chapati Quran. As I said earlier, 1 cup gives me about 3 to 4 chapatis, so I'm going to cut this into 3. That's a standard size chapati. If you want them bigger, smaller, it's up to you. So I'm going to roll these into kind of cigar. So from these rolls, I'm going to fold only the top part. The bottom, I'll leave it that way. That's where you get your layers to open from. So I'm only folding the top and pressing it down to have a round shape, but the bottom, I'm not going to tamper with the bottom at all. See those rings there at the bottom? Those are our layers, so don't do anything to the bottom, leave it that way. So having finished the second bit of making chapatis, that is the rolling, we now spread out the individual rolls into the size of chapati we want before we fry them. I don't know if this image shows the rings better, but that's how it should look like. So I'm going to spread the rest of these rolls, then we'll go to the next step where I'll give you more tips. So when you're frying your chapatis, make sure to use medium heat, because if you use too low heat, your chapatis will dry up and become very hard. Use too much heat, they will cook too fast at the top, but on the inside they'll not have cooked properly. So medium heat is the other secret to best chapatis. So to ensure that they cook properly, you first make sure that both sides have they form these tiny brown spots you can see before we add oil. And there are two ways I oil my chapatis when frying them, and I'll show you the two ways. They give the same results, so it's only a matter of preference, and whichever you find easier to use, just use that. Method 1 is adding oil directly to the pan. That way your chapati lands on hot oil and it gives you bigger brown patches. This method also gives you less greasier chapatis because excess oil is left on the pan. Just observe the air pockets forming. Those are layers separating. And you can see it's almost rising like it has baking powder, but you witnessed you don't put baking powder in chapati. That will be something else and not chapati. So all these air pockets are layers separating from the inside. Mamma mia, just look at that. Look at that! So the second way of adding oil is putting oil directly on the chapati, that is on the upper surface, like that. Then you turn it to the hot pan. Oh my goodness, just look at that chapati. So I'll finish frying all these, then we go to revealing. I show you exactly what I mean by layered chapatis. So that's our end result. Mate inanidondoka jameni. Ha. Just see how soft those chapatis are. Effortlessly. And look at the layers. Ooh. Look. Kitabu si kitabu. Ah! Yummy! Leo ni leo, leo ni leo. I hope you liked the recipe, you enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button. Where is it? Here. The red subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos I post. So see you in the next video, guys. I can tell you it's gonna be